Okay, in this video, we're going to talk about section views in SolidWorks. So if you go to this little button here, you'll see the section view. So section views are great if you want to see what's inside your assembly. So you could click section view, and then right here by default, it's doing a section view from the front plane. So a lot of times when you have like more complicated designs, you want to see how your part is fitting in certain parts. So you could click the check mark and you can see your part in half. That way you can see exactly where everything is touching in your design. And to exit the section view, you could click this button and this will let you exit. Okay, so you have these arrows here that can let you adjust the plane, and you can also adjust the plane here as well. But there's like these different arrows that you could adjust the plane of, so that will allow you to cut in different directions. And you can also just reset this to go back to 0. Just gonna do everything 0 here to reset everything. Okay, and you can also usually you'll specify the exact amount. You could do it like that. And then you can also change the different planes. So you could be cutting from the top plane, or you could be cutting from the right plane. So there's different options depending on which way you want to cut. You can also do more than one plane. So maybe you could add a second section that's from the front. So you could cut into a portion of this if you wanted to see a certain part, and you can adjust it by going back to maybe I want to see this much, and then you could click OK. Then you can see this is your new updated section view. Okay, and then another technique too that I like to use is sometimes if you know the plane you want to section view, you could actually go ahead and create a reference geometry plane right where you want it. So if you actually click this plane here and go to section view, and the distance will be 0 because it's on the plane, then that will be the plane you're cutting in. So unless your assembly is already in the right plane, you could create a new plane and then do your section view. Okay, so those are some techniques you could play with. And then you could see here, there's like other options to transparently section components. I usually don't use this, but the main thing is the top view here that you could do. Okay, so that's pretty much it for section views. It's going to be really great when you get into more complicated designs and you need to see how your part fits in special places or check for interference. So I highly recommend you playing around with the section view. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.